Hi everyone, my name is Marina and welcome to today's K-pop dance tutorial. Today we are diving into the first chorus choreography for JISOO's Earthquake. I've divided the moves into 10 sections to make it easy to follow along no matter your level. Just a heads up, this video is mirrored, so my left side is your left side and my right side is your right side. So get comfy, grab some water and let's jump into it. Let me show you the first section with counts. No need to move yet, just watch first and then we'll break it down together right after. Alright? 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's break down the moves step by step. So first for our hands, we do shake and shake. So start from the up, go down, up and down, and then we swing our hands back to prepare for the next move, which is pump. So spread your arms to the sides and your hands are looking down and fingers are spread. Okay, then we close our hands back again, keeping our fists, and then go up and fingers are spread. And then we go down, left hand is on your waist and right hand keep your fist and the elbow bent. Next we do hit with our shoulder and then pull it back slowly. So pump. At the same time, for our right hand, we open it and then close, starting from the pinky. So together it looks like pum, 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 pum. Then we just throw our hands upwards, like this. So pum. Now for the legs, it's easy. So we do shake, and then when we swing our hands back, we jump and then stomp our left foot. So again, we do 5 and 6 and 7. So we jump on end count and on 7 we stomp our left foot. We stand like this on count 7, 8, then and 1, 2, 3, 4. So here from position where our left knee is bent, we change it to the right knee is bent and push your left hip to the side. Then in this position we do hit with our left shoulder and at the same time just move your upper body a little bit upwards. So just like breathing. Okay, so we sit on our hip and then we do hit and just stay up a little bit and then go backwards. Next we're gonna jump. So from this position we jump on our left foot and knee is straight. Raise your right foot a little bit and hands looking upward. Now let's try everything together slowly with counts. 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try one more time. 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's move on to the second section and let me show it to you first. So we finished in this position and then we do 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. For our hands, we cross them in front of our chest and then open. So our arms are bent. Then we do hit, 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 hit. So 4 times we are hitting. It's on count 2, 3, 4 and then we slowly cross our hands and moving upwards back to our head and open our elbows. Then we do pump and pump. So we just do 2 pops with our chest, so 1 and 2. And then with our arms we do pop and then pop. So from the back of our head, put your hands to your chest and keep your palms open. So 1 and 2. And for our legs, we finished in this position. Then we step with our right leg and sit in your right hip. Open your left knee and bend it. Also bend your right knee. So we in this position, and then we do palm. So just step on your left leg, boom, and raise your right leg in the air. So it's 2, 3, 4, and. So we just do 3 little steps to the front. 3, 4, and. When we do these steps, we turn our upper body diagonally to the right a bit, to the left and right. So again, 2, 3 to the right, 4 to the left, and again to the right. Got it? Then on 5 count, just place your feet together and you look diagonally to the right side, and we do 5, 6. So just bend your knees a little and then go up, and then we do 7, 8, and you just keep your feet together. Let's try again this second section slowly with counts from here. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'll show you the third section. Just watch for now. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So we finished in this position, and next we do end. So on end count, just hug yourself, right hand on your shoulder and left hand on your waist, and then you step to the left leg and your right knee is bent. Okay, so let's try again. And you look to the left side. Then we open our hands, and at the same time our pelvis is going forward and our hands looking down and palms looking to the audience. Next we do such a move, pump and pump. So our hands are sharp and go upwards. So 2 times you do 1 and 2. Right? And then with our pelvis, you go to the front. And then with our body, we do like pop to the front. So prepare yourself. You put your chest back and pelvis to the front, and you do pum and pum. So your butt is going backward and chest go forward. So 1 and 2. Again, together it's on count 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. Then we do and 5, 6. So put your arms forward and your right palm on top of the left one. And then you go up and then down to your chest like this. At the same time, tilt your head to the left. And when you go up, you just go to the right with your head. So, and 5, 6. Place your hands on your chest. And then for your lower body, you do like a little slide with your right leg and hold it in the air. So in this position, we do and 7 and 8. While our right leg is in the air, we raise our right shoulder and then go down. So and 7. Stomp your right foot and put your right shoulder down and left shoulder is up. And then and raise your right shoulder and stomp your left foot. I will show you the hand movements first to the front so you can see and understand shoulders better. So we do and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Get it? Let's practice this third section slowly with counts. So from here, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Let's try again. 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Now let's learn the first section and I will show it to you first. 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We finished the previous section in this position and from here we do end. On end count, just raise your elbows and raise your right leg and turn your body to the front, okay? And then on one count, just imagine you're pressing a big button and your arms are straight, the same with your legs. So you're just like this. And then we do 2, 3. So just tilt your head to the left and open your left leg. At the same time, bend your right knee. 2, 3. On 3, get yourself together, but your head is still tilted to the left side. And then we do 4. On 4, move your head to the right side and open your right leg. And the same, bend your left knee. So it's on count 4, 5, 6. On 5 count, just raise your right leg and your arms are straight. And then you stomp your right foot. Your arms are going forward and point your index fingers. Then we do 7 and 8. Your fingers point to the right, to the left, and again to the right. So right, left, right. And for our lower body, we do step to the left and your hip is pointing to the left side. So we do left and then alternate to the right and alternate to the left. Let's practice the first section slowly with counts. From here, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's try again. 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's learn now the fifth section and I will show it to you first. We finished in this position. 7, 8 and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. From here, put your hands to the back of your head one by one and then we slide across our head down to our shoulders and at the same time tilt head upwards, do like a little circle to the right side and at the same time our hips go backwards like this. They go from left to the right side like this. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, from here we do jump. So cross your legs like this, the right leg in front and put your arms diagonally to the sides. And then we do turn to the left side. So we do turn and keep your arms in front of your chest. And then we do push. So just push forward and your elbows are straight. And then we do 7 and 8. So just pull your arms back and then move them forward and your palms are facing upwards. And then for your legs, we do jump, step, step. Okay, so just jump on your left leg, step with your right leg, and step with your left leg. Let's try all together. 7 and 8. Let's practice the fifth section slowly with counts, starting from here. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try again. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job, everyone. We learned the half of the dance already, and now we are going to review and practice from the beginning with counts. So starting from here, remember, let's try 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Great job everyone, I'm grateful for your effort, and that's it for the YouTube preview. If you'd like access to the full 10-section dance tutorial, including the complete dance practice with music at different speeds, all in one video, just head to my website using the link in the pinned comment or in the video description. You'll also find more K-pop dance tutorials waiting for you there. Thanks so much for dancing with me today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!